If you're having trouble playing certain videos on your Telegram messages on your iPhone, like it's not playing automatically as it should be, in this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to fix this issue. Now, interesting thing is, I can play some of these videos, but some are not playing. That's because iPhone cannot play certain formats like MKV or AVI videos sent into your Telegram app. And as you can see in our case, the screen just goes black. To solve this issue, just download or install any third-party app that can play all the types and formats of videos. Since I'm familiar with this, I'm gonna install this one. After installation, just set up the app. And then go back to your video. Let it download. And then press and hold on that video file. Tap on select. Tap on this share icon at the middle. Swipe left and find out your video player you've just installed on your device. Tap on it. And that's it, your video will play without any problem. You can follow the same process whenever iPhone refuses to play any of your Telegram videos. And that's it, problem solved. Thanks for watching.